Winter time is fox time here in Colorado. We have red foxes and gray foxes. Maybe a few more red than gray, but both of them show up at our cameras. Foxes like to pee, meaning scent mark, and you'll see probably half of my videos show one of the foxes doing that. A quick drink for this red fox at one of our guzzlers. And the gray one is going to go, yep, almost falls into the ice that wasn't strong enough to hold him. Uh-oh, not just peeing, but pooping too. They leave messages for each other. They have babies right now, and so there's a lot of feeding and hunting going on. A male, of course, he has to pee. And a beautiful gray fox in daytime, which is rather rare. We rarely see a gray fox in daytime. It's a treat. This one here looks like a young one. It looks like a kit and acts like one. You know, it's interested in all the flies and moths flying around. Mama has a nest right up there, and breaking through the snow, she brings a duck or a goose, something she caught down by the river, up to her babies. Here's a red fox out on the prairie, and a gray fox out on the prairie, eastern Colorado. I sped this up a little bit. One more really shy gray fox checking things out on the prairie. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching our foxes.